Oh, yeah.
Sinbad, we need to talk.
Heard about it, read about it, never actually seen it. The Book of Peace.
It's my job to bring it safely to Syracuse.
Really? Now see, now I just feel bad because you're gonna get fired.
You can't be serious. You disappear for 10 years, show up and rob me?
I wish it wasn't you. I do. Really.
But it is me, Sinbad.
Proteus, we had a special handshake, some code words, a secret hideout. It was fun, big fun, but we were kids.
We were friends. You're not gonna steal this. Not from me. And what would you do with it anyway? The Book of Peace protects all of us in the 12 cities.
Exactly. So just imagine how much all of us will pay to get it back.
Let me say it again. A long time ago, you and I were friends. If that ever meant anything to you, prove it now.
You're right. That was a long time ago. Come on, don't get all heroic, Proteus.
If you want the book, you have to go through me.
What the? Go, Spike.
I got you! Go!
Well, I see you're busy, so, stay in touch.
Wait! You're just gonna run away?
Yeah.
All yours, mate! Sinbad! You! My ship! Thanks, dude!
Stand by for sushi.
Get down!
Give that guy a raise.
Come on, Sinbad, let's go!
Wait, stand your ground.
What are you doing?
Hey! Hey! Lobster boy! Over here!
Run! Pull back!
Grab hold! Let's go!
And the plan?
How about try not to get killed? Hold on! Here! We'll need this.
Where are you going?
Fishing!
Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Eep! Mom!
You okay?
Yeah. Thanks for sticking around.
Ah, just like old times.
Look out! Sinbad! Hiccup! Hiccup! Son!